Hi friends, today let's learn about some basic geometry concepts, words and notations that you would need to know. Let's start. Point. Point is an exact location in space. A point has no dimension. Line. Line is a collection of points along a straight path that extends endlessly in both directions. Line segment. Line segment is a part of a line having two endpoints. Midpoint. The midpoint of a segment divides the segment into two segments of equal length. Ray. Ray is a part of a line having only one endpoint. Angle. An angle consists of two rays that have a common endpoint called the vertex of the angle. Plane. Plane is a flat surface that extends endlessly in all directions. Straight angle. Straight angle is an angle whose measure is 180 degrees. Right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degrees is called right angle. Acute angle. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is an acute angle. Obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees is an obtuse angle. Reflex angle. A reflex angle is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. Complementary angles. Two angles are complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. Supplementary angles. Two angles are supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. Intersecting lines. Two lines that cross or intersects at a point is called intersecting lines. Parallel lines. Two lines in the same plane that do not intersect are called parallel lines. Perpendicular lines. Two lines that intersect to form right angles are called perpendicular lines. Vertical angles. Two angles with equal measure formed by two intersecting lines are vertical angles. Arc. Arc is a continuous portion of a circle. Radius. Distance from center of a circle to any point on that circle's circumference is called radius. Diameter. Diameter is a line segment or length joining two points on a circle's circumference and passes through the circle's center. Circumference. Distance around a circle is called circumference. Chord. A line segment joining two points on a curve is called chord. Sector. The portion of a disk enclosed by two radii and an arc is called sector. Segment. The segment of a circle is the region bounded by a chord and the arc subtended by the chord. In the next video we will learn about basic geometric shapes. Till then, take care.